John, got the outer fringes of this storm hitting the tri-state right now, so we'll continue to keep the showers in the forecast this evening into tonight, but the core of the storm is still well down to the south, in fact, off the Carolina coastline. That's where it's starting to gather. It's in a weakened shape right now, but this upper level energy, that's very important. If this didn't exist, we wouldn't be talking about such a significant storm, but we're going to be watching energy being siphoned into the main primary low off the coast, and that's going to create this formidable nor'easter as we go into tomorrow and especially into Monday morning. As you can see, the low is just offshore by Monday afternoon, and then Monday evening it's going to start to depart the region. Meanwhile, high pressure to the north, that's going to keep the winds very, very strong. It's a southeast to east wind first. Eventually that wind goes more to the northeasterly direction. That's going to create a concern around Great Neck, northern reaches of Nassau County and Suffolk County. So Long Island Sound will start to see a little coastal flooding mostly for Monday and Tuesday as the winds will start to turn around. Here's the futurecast showing scattered showers for the rest of the evening hours into tonight. Steady or heavy rains going into Sunday morning, primarily Sunday afternoon. That's when everybody's getting into the thick of things. I think the model's struggling a little bit to the northern edge. I think everybody's into the rain, though, Sunday night into Monday morning. And there's going to be a swath of some very heavy rains from I-95 back into New York City, down towards the Garden State Parkway. And that's going to continue to pivot in as we go into Monday. Monday afternoon, that's when things start to lighten up rather a little bit as the low starts to kind of collapse a bit and move offshore. But we're still keeping rain showers in the forecast into Monday night. Before all said and done, 2 to 3 inches of rain as far north as, say, right around the Tappan Zee Bridge, southern Putnam County, and then you get right into Passaic County, beyond that into Princeton area, solid 1 to 2, maybe 3 on the high side, and then higher amounts down the Jersey Shore where upwards of 3 inches of rain could fall before all said and done. Quick look at the futurecast winds. The winds are really noteworthy as we go into tomorrow night with those winds at around 30 to 40 miles per hour. At its peak, we could be talking almost 60-mile-an-hour winds. That's why the high wind watches have been activated. We'll be watching closely Montauk, West Hampton area. Maybe Islip could get into a 50, 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, and then down the Jersey Shore. And the winds are going to stay up right into Tuesday. Northerly push of wind starts to develop by Tuesday afternoon. That could create some flooding across the Great Neck area, North Shore, Nassau County, and to northern Suffolk County. 57 in town for tonight. Again, scattered showers turning more numerous for Sunday. Sunday is a crock-pot kind of day that just huddle and chill. Really nasty weather. 63, 60 on Monday, still a really raw and rainy day. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday, we start to clear out. Sun is back Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Nor'easter is out of here, but it's much chilly air in its wake.